Okay, so good morning to class 11. Okay, and to continue with our chapter of hydrocarbons. Okay, yesterday we had done structure of benzene, and I had explained it to you that benzene is a very stable molecule because it has sandwich structure. Sandwich structure means the carbon ring is having the pi electron cloud above and below. So the double bonds in benzene, they do not undergo addition reactions. Only thing it can undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Now today we are going to start with chemical properties of benzene and the electrophilic substitution reaction. There are 5 electrophilic substitution reactions in benzene. I repeat, there are 5 electrophilic substitution reactions in benzene. Now what are those? Those are nitration, halogenation. I have written and underlined here in the headings: nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, so there are 5 electrophilic substitution reactions we have to study in benzene. Okay, now I will start with the first one, that is nitration. Okay, now in nitration we have got benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid to form nitronium ion, that is NO2 plus. It forms nitronium ion which acts as an electrophile, NO2 plus. It acts as an electrophile. Okay, it attacks the benzene ring and it can get attached to any of the carbon atoms in the benzene ring because the electron density on each carbon atom in the benzene ring is same. Okay, so what will be the product form? The product form will be nitrobenzene. Is it okay? Okay, so it will be nitrobenzene. Now nitro group can get attached here, anywhere. Okay, not necessary that it has to be on this carbon atom, on the top, on the apex. Is that clear? But while naming, this carbon atom will be given number 1. Second is halogenation, when benzene reacts with chlorine. Now I am not writing sunlight over here, so no free radicals will be formed. This chlorine has to break up into Cl plus and Cl minus. How? With the help of FeCl3. This is an electron deficient compound. Iron has only 6 electrons in the valence shell. It can accept a lone pair of electrons. Then what is the name given to such compounds which can accept a lone pair of electrons? They are called Lewis acids. They are Lewis acids. Okay, or we can use anhydrous aluminum chloride in its place. Okay, or it is. Now, when this will happen, Cl plus, Cl minus will get attached to FeCl3 or AlCl3. It will form FeCl4 minus or AlCl4 minus. And Cl plus is going to act as an electrophile and it will get attached to the benzene ring and HCl will be formed. From where is this hydrogen coming? From here, you remember? Here, hydrogens are present. The hydrogen will be displaced by Cl plus. Okay? So HCl will be formed. Now here sulfonation. What is sulfonation? Addition of sulfonic group, SO3H. When I was telling you the priority order in IUPAC nomenclature, before carboxylic acid, what was written over there? Sulfonic acid. It is a functional group. Okay. So for sulfonation, benzene ring is made to react with H2S2O7. H2S2O7. What is it known as? Oleum. What is oleum? It is also known as fuming sulfuric acid. Oleum is also known as fuming sulfuric acid. Okay. So sulfonic acid will be introduced. This is known as benzene sulfonic acid. The fourth reaction is Friedel-Crafts. You can add over there alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. That means you have to add alkyl group to the benzene ring. Now this is your benzene ring plus CH3Cl. Okay, that is alkyl halide. Okay, benzene ring plus alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Okay, is going to give you this. Here, this will break up into plus and minus. Minus will come here and it will form AlCl4 minus and CH3 plus will get attached to the benzene ring. CH3 attached to benzene ring is known as, what is it known as? Toluene. It is known as toluene. Okay? Alright, please keep speaking in between. So that otherwise I won't even come to know the sound is on or not. Now next we go on to Friedel-Crafts acylation. Right? What is acyl group? CH3 C double bond. This group is known as acyl group. So benzene ring plus CH3 C double bond OCl. Okay? This will break from here. Cl minus will get attached to AlCl4 minus. And this C plus, this is C double bond O, CH3 plus will get attached here. Okay? A ketone will be formed. This is aromatic ketone. This is a aromatic ketone. Okay? And it is known as acetophenone. 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 Okay? This is an aromatic ketone. You can see carbon on this side, methyl group, and a phenyl ring on the other side. Okay. Now next we will go on to. Now is this visible? Okay. Okay. Now we will do mechanism. Okay. This is very important. Mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. I am giving you first general mechanism. Mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. First thing I have taken is, first reaction was nitration. Okay. There are three steps of electrophilic substitution reaction. First is creation of an electrophile. Okay. Or formation of an electrophile. Second is attack of electrophile on the benzene ring and formation of arenium ion. ARENIUM. Arenium ion. And third is deprotonation. I will repeat. There are three steps of electrophilic substitution reaction. Formation of electrophile. Second is attack of electrophile on the benzene ring and formation of arenium ion. And the third is deprotonation. Okay? Alright. So here we are going to see sulfuric acid reacts, it forms nitronium ion. Okay? What happened, Harsh? But I have not, maybe I will wait because blurred what now they are joining the class. Okay. Now sulfuric acid plus nitric acid will give you nitronium ion and HSO4 minus will be formed. Right? Then this benzene ring will be attacked by nitronium ion. Can you see this? This is hydrogen and NO2. Now this hydrogen is coming here. We are not writing hydrogens over here, but it is there. And NO2 plus. How was this possible? When one valency will become free here. It will become free only when this bond will break like this by hydrolytic fission. There will be a minus charge here and a plus charge here. Okay? Now minus charge means your electrophile will get attracted here and it will get attached. Now positive charge on the benzene ring is very unstable. The positive charge in the benzene ring is very unstable. So what will happen? We break the bond like this. Again, this was clockwise. So this bond will also positive charge comes here. Then the third bond will get like this. So again, a bond will be formed here and the positive charge will come here. Okay. Now, this I have put it in brackets because these are resonating structures. There are three resonating structures formed. The resonance hybrid is written like this. Can you see the resonance hybrid? Can you see the resonance? Okay. So in the resonance hybrid, you can see, if you can see clearly. Okay. Right. See here. What have I done? I have formed the six-membered ring. Hydrogen is there, NO2 is there. Positive charge has been delocalized. This dotted line I have drawn from this carbon atom to this carbon atom. Positive charge has been delocalized from here to here. See this last structure. Okay. Now I want to get rid of this positive charge. How can I get rid of this positive charge? Only if proton is lost from here. Okay, only if proton will be lost from here. Then what will happen? The negative charge will be here and positive is here. So a double bond will be formed here and this structure will come back. Okay, you can see this structure. Okay, right. So this is here and let us see here. Plus HSO4 is there. Now if this proton is lost, negative charge will be here and empty p orbital. This will form a double bond. This will be our final product. Okay. Hydrogen which is lost combines with HSO4 to form H2SO4. Is this okay? Alright. Now the three steps of your electrophilic substitution reaction I had shown you here. These are the three steps of electrophilic substitution reaction. What are those? They are formation of electrophile, attack of electrophile on the benzene ring, formation of arenium ion, and then deprotonation. Okay. Formation of electrophile, attack of electrophile on the benzene ring, and formation of arenium ion. Then last step is deprotonation. Now, for nitration, I have discussed the formation of your nitronium ion. Now, what about halogenation, sulfonation? Your first step will be different. The rest two steps will be same. That is formation of electrophile. So, I have explained this over here. So, one by one you can pay attention here. This is for Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. For Friedel-Crafts alkylation, this will be CH3+. Now, alkyl halide plus aluminum chloride. This is acting as a Lewis acid. It will accept Cl minus. है ना? It will change into AlCl4 minus. And what will be formed? Plus CH3 plus will be formed. Okay? What is CH3 plus going to act as? Electrophile. It will, yes. From second step, it will be same. It will get, instead of NO2, now you will write CH3. Wherever I had written NO2 in mechanism, you will write CH3. Okay? And the rest of the mechanism will be same. For Friedel-Crafts acylation, see this. Again this Cl will form Cl minus. And this will get a positive charge. Cl minus will come here. It will form AlCl4 minus. And this positive charge is going to act as an electrophile and get attached to the benzene ring. Right? This is known as acyl group. ACYL, acyl group. Okay. Then for halogenation, of course I have taken chlorine here. You can take bromine also. For halogenation, chlorine plus AlCl3. This will break into Cl plus and Cl minus. Cl minus will get attached here, forming AlCl4 minus. And what about this? This will act as a electrophile and then this will attack the benzene ring. Okay, so this is today I have done only electrophilic substitution reaction because these 5 reactions are very important. With the help of these 5 reactions, we can do a lot of conversions. Okay, we can do conversions. Now, tomorrow on Monday, we are going to discuss about conversions now. So, there I will again revise this. Now, as an assignment, you will write down the mechanism of, okay, you will write down the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Okay, as an assignment you will write and send them to me. Okay, write the mechanism of, and please give how do you write mechanism. Write Friedel-Crafts acylation, then write the heading. Number 1 will be formation of electrophile. Second, and you show how electrophile is being formed, that is how Cl plus is being formed. Then second step will be your attack of electrophile on the benzene ring and formation of arenium ion. Here this part you will write. Okay, instead of NO2 plus, you will have Cl plus. Wherever we have got NO2, just put Cl, and then that will be your second step. And the last step will be deprotonation, that is, you will show this. Is that okay? So, yes, I'm sure you will be able to do it with the help of the class which I have taken. I will send you back, but I will not send you the recording because most of you are just preferring to stay back at home. Okay? So, there will be no